Hey guys, this is Keith. So here is the free indicator that is going to help you control your emotions. Download it for free. The link will be in the description. And all you need to do is simply click on OK and look at what happens. So actually it just opens up like a small chart of which you can just drag and actually check, make sure that you follow your strategy. So most of the time it's going to enter in trades without even thinking twice, but this checklist is going to help you make sure that you actually do the right thing. So the checklist actually use before entering a trade. So all you need to do, you can see, okay, most of the people before they do anything else, before they check the direction of the trend. Okay, check. Okay, to check for support and resistance levels. Simply click on it. Okay, the other thing I want to do is actually analyzing the candlestick patterns. Okay, once you're done with that, wait for a confirmation signal. Okay, calculate the risk and reward to assess the current market volatility. Okay, consider the losses, the liquidity. What else? Also making sure that you look at the same chart in multiple time frames. Okay, also avoiding impulsive decision. For example, if you make a loss, then you decide just to enter trades randomly so that maybe you can try to recover. So by taking this, it is to help you. Also joining my FX Keith. But why do you have to join the Telegram group? Well, most of the people in my Telegram group, they are derivative traders. So most of them, they share ideas, they share signals, they share their setups. So you get to know what people are thinking, you get to know how people are finding entries, how people are exiting, and also you get to learn from one another. So it's actually a good thing. And also remember to avoid over leveraging, and you need to plan your exit strategy. Okay, make sure that you also set the stop loss. This is a major problem for many people, forgetting to actually enter the stop loss. So make sure that you actually set your stop loss. Then after you're done, simply tick it. Okay, then you need to document like why you're entering this trade, why are you buying, or why are you saying, why are you selling. So this actually brings to this point here, which is maintaining a trading journal. You need the trading journal to explain why you've entered the trade. So when you explain why you entered the trade and it goes in the opposite direction, you'll be able to know what went wrong and to be able to come back and see what went wrong so that you don't repeat the same mistake. So you need to review this checklist at all times. Okay, remember you can actually edit these things in this checklist. You can edit them, and yeah, you can actually edit them to suit your strategy. Okay, and these are optional ones. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel on YouTube. Okay, you can join my channel. Okay, I think I had to repeat this by mistake. So that's basically it. You can drag it anywhere. You can click on minimize. Okay, you can expand it, you can close it. It's simply just a checklist that you can actually use to make sure that your emotions don't get in the way of trading. So this is my year. This is my gift for you for being part of my 2023. So happy new year, guys. Expect more cool videos starting 2024. So bye for now. This is Keith.